In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate LinkedIn on Monday.com. If you want to connect LinkedIn with your Monday.com workflow, this process is very quick and straightforward. Setting up this integration can help you streamline activity between the two platforms, especially if you're using Monday.com to manage leads, communication, recruiting, or other work that involves LinkedIn data and actions. To begin, open your Monday.com board where you want the integration to be added. Once you're on the correct board, look for the Integrate option. This is where Monday.com lets you connect your board with outside tools and services. Go ahead and click on Integrate to open the Integrations area. After the Integrations window appears, you'll see different apps and services that can connect with your board. From that list, find LinkedIn and click on it. This takes you into the LinkedIn integration option specifically, so you can choose the setup that best matches what you want your board to do. Next, choose a template. Monday.com integrations often use templates to make setup easier. So instead of building everything manually, you can start with a pre-made automation or connection. Take a moment here to review the available template options and select the one that fits your workflow. The right template will depend on the kind of information or activity you want to sync between LinkedIn and Monday.com. Once you've selected your template, click on Connect. This is the step that starts linking your LinkedIn account or LinkedIn related workflow with Monday.com. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to authorize the connection or confirm permissions. If that happens, simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection securely. And that's it. Once connected, your LinkedIn integration should be ready to use based on the template you selected. If you don't see the expected behavior right away, it's a good idea to double check that you chose the correct board and template before testing the integration. A helpful tip is to think through your workflow before choosing the template, since that can save time and reduce the need to reconfigure things later. It's also smart to test the integration with a sample item in your board so you can confirm everything is working as expected. That's how to integrate LinkedIn on Monday.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.